Hey guys, this is JVT Guns, back with another tutorial video. And in today's video, we have another mini tutorial where we're working with attachments. But this time, instead of making the rail, we're gonna be learning how to make something for the rail. And to start that, you need to learn how to make something that can simply go on the rail. And there's two different ways you can do that. So the first way, we have a piece of cardboard. Take our rail along the corrugation. Most corrugation should be about 4. So we'll fold this here, and then we're going to fold it again. Yeah, we're going to fold it again somewhere a little bit wider than we're supposed to. So the little attachment point will be slightly bigger than the rail itself. Then we're just going to cut out a little bit from the cardboard. So when you get ready to cut out some for the cardboard, you're going to need about 1 corrugation, 2 corrugation, and the same thing for this side. 1 corrugation, 2 corrugation. To be super safe, I'm gonna just add another one here on both sides, and I'm gonna just cut it out. I'm gonna fold it right around that area, then I'm gonna cut that little piece off on each side. So now I got it at the length that I want. So here's what I'm gonna do. This little corrugation right here, we're gonna fold that down on both sides as well. Gonna do it on both sides. And so when you fold it, you should be able to do this with it. If you got your rail, test it out on your rail real quick, see how it fits. If it's too big, cut it down. If it's too big, which it is right here, I'm gonna cut it down. You want it to be like this when you hook it onto the rail. And I can tell I'm already gonna have to cut that down. One more. So where I drew that next line of that corrugation, that's where I'm gonna cut it down to. Okay, so I did say I was gonna cut it down that 1 corrugation, but instead I cut it down to about half of that corrugation. So I didn't cut it all the way off. Despite it being half, it fits just fine. So the next step is we're gonna get ready to glue this all down. So I'm gonna take my scissors, I'm gonna cut it to that little slit. Don't cut all the way through, just create what like a little ditch here. Right. And we're gonna glue all this down. So when you glue it, you wanna glue the outside part first. Just glue it down in the inside of that part. Like that. And before it dries, hurry up and fold it into position. Keep it as squared as you possibly can. Keep it at a 90-degree angle. Let it dry and get cool. And then you'd repeat and do it on the other side. Once you got that side, fold it up again and glue in the side, that part, on both sides as well. And once it's dry, this is the shape you should have. You can put it onto your rail. No problem. And you have an attachment point. If it's still a little too big or something, just cut an inside where you need to, and then just fit it in until it fits to your desired fit. And once you got that, you have attachment point A, which is simply folding some cardboard. On to a more easier, straightforward, but also lots of cutting method. Right here, still got some cardboard. We're gonna cut out a piece of cardboard that is wider than this piece. Now that we got that piece, then we're gonna cut out a strip or two from some more. And this piece, so after you got this piece, you're gonna cut out this little strip, cut out 4 of these, and glue it like this. So the first piece will be glued on the sides. Well, the first 2 pieces will be on the sides. So just simply on the bottom, add some glue. Okay. Add some glue. And then repeat on the other side. We got this little weird piece here. On top of the rail. And now we just add some glue onto these strips and glue it in the inside. Add some glue to these strips. Glue it into the bottom and the inside of there. So when I got all those pieces glued together, this is what the attachment point looks like. All you gotta do is glue it on around the edges to secure. Test it out. Test it out. If it's too high, you can add a piece of cardboard on the inside and it should fit just fine. What's exactly wrong with this. So I'm just gonna add a strip inside. Okay, so my attachment point is still loose, but it is much more fitted on top of the rail. But anyways, these are the 2 attachment points that we made for today. Let me know what you guys feel about this. Let me know how you guys did. Hope you guys liked this video or learned some. Hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and enjoying the content, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss an upload. Follow me on Instagram and check out my other videos on this channel. This has been JVT signing off until next time. Please, you guys, peace and love. Have a great day. Be careful out there. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.